Oculus is going to get a standalone mobile headset coming soon for $199. It's Oculus Go. It's here in San Francisco at the Game Developers Conference. It looks kind of like a combination of Daydream View or Samsung Gear VR, but without a phone. And I'm going to wear it and play some games. It's putting it on for the first time. It's soft, kind of has like a padded. Feels good. More soft and comfortable around here than Gear VR. And straps that are being velcroed on my face or along my head. Now the controller here has 3 degrees of freedom tracking. It's got a click pad here for touchpad, a trigger here, button below. Pretty straightforward. If you ever used a mobile VR headset like Gear VR, Daydream, you know what to expect. So I'm going to play Anshar Online. So I'm moving my head to control. I'm flying around. I'm in a giant asteroid field thing. And I use the trigger here to shoot for my head to turn. Where are the enemies? Where are the... Okay. Fly up to the space station. Now, Oculus Go does not have tracking to allow you to wander around a room. This is meant to be sitting down VR, where it's tracking your head motions, but if I lean forward like that, it's not going to allow the virtual table to get closer. So it is like Gear VR or Daydream in that regard. It's really for people who don't have a phone that's VR compatible, or you don't want to give up your phone to use VR. Okay, that's Oculus Go. It's entry-level VR for those who haven't tried VR before. And here's the good news. It actually feels pretty good on my face.